Are you still relying on dry spreadsheets to report construction progress, or wasting time sifting through disorganized photos just to spot the differences? Stop letting site changes remain abstract numbers. Today, I'll show you how to use MipMap to bring your entire construction site onto your computer. Travel through time to compare progress with a single click, and even visualize photorealistic scene using Gaussian splatting. It is practically free for tasks less than 500 images. All you need is a drone. Simply perform regular image capture and import the images into MipMap software. It generates everything from orthomosaics and mesh model to photorealistic Gaussian splatting models. And these models aren't just for show. In this digital twin environment, you can take linear measurements, calculate areas, and tag specific points of interest. Upcoming updates will even support volumetric measurements, making earthworks calculations and stockpile volume measurement effortless. You can export the annotation and measurement information to the format you need. You can also directly view detailed marking and measurement reports in the software. Here is the game changer, the built-in software swipe tool. When you have models from different dates, just select the results from 2 different dates. Simply drag the slider and every change on site becomes instantly visible. Whether you're toggling 3D models views, orthophoto views, or overlaying the digital surface model, tracking progress has never been this intuitive. Dealing with sites full of complex structures. Switch to 3D Gaussian splatting mode. It reconstructs fine structural details far more realistically than traditional photogrammetry, giving you a truly immersive experience. Worried about the cost? As long as your single mission contains fewer than 500 images, the MipMap free version handles all of this. Plus, your deliverables can be exported in industry-standard formats for use in other platforms. So, go digitize your site today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.